Hello and welcome to this new course, to this full masterclass about ChatGPT. I think nothing in the last couple of years has disrupted my work or my business's work as much as this little AI tool that is basically going absolutely crazy on all social media platforms in the last couple of weeks and months. And yeah, it's finally time that I kind of explain and reveal a bit how ChatGPT has disrupted my work, my agency's work, my whole business's work. And yeah, tell you and teach you the exact way that we're using it for the past couple of weeks and months to just drastically improve our processes and our productivity. It improves the time we spend on tasks. It improves the quality of output that we generate. And we have a very specific use case. I mean, I'm not a programmer. I'm not going to do any like Python, JavaScript, HTML stuff with it. We're going to stick to the things that we know, that we have mastered over the last couple of years. And this is going to be a specifically tailored course exactly to these use cases. And to give you a bit more information and background why I have authority of talking about this topic is because everything that ChatGPT is now doing for us, I've been doing that manually for the last couple of years. Since 2016, I've been working in digital marketing. I founded a digital marketing agency. I grew that to over 15 employees. And this agency gave me the opportunity to work with hundreds of businesses. I've personally invested millions into marketing channels like Facebook ads, like Google ads, like YouTube ads. We have, as I said, worked with hundreds of businesses. We've personally written and created thousands of landing pages, websites, and ads and posts for basically all social media channels, also mail marketing, WhatsApp marketing, basically all forms of digital marketing. And now that we have this insanely powerful tool in our toolkit, we have so many things that we can improve, that we can automate, that we can make quicker, that we can make better, and really use ChatGPT for digital marketing and digital business cases with basically everything you can imagine in this big field, which ranges from strategy, positioning, branding, copywriting, writing scripts for videos, writing ads, writing mails, doing sales funnel strategy for all these different touch points, and obviously writing the copy, but also doing a lot of work that leads up to writing the copy or just completely different work. For example, positioning, business strategies, or even product pricing. And everything has just become so much easier and so much more fun. I've used ChatGPT to finalize the book and write the last 3 chapters of my first book, which I've not been able to finish otherwise, and which was just laying around for the last 2 years. Now I've finally finished it and can launch it, which is amazing, which I could not have done without ChatGPT. Since it basically launched, I've had written full landing pages, full websites, full email marketing campaigns, 20-step retargeting ad funnels, everything with ChatGPT, and doing also all the strategy. I would even say I delegate thinking and just mundane everyday tasks to it because it just makes it more fun and more convenient, and the overall results that you get are just so much better. I mean, we're working with it pretty much on a daily basis. I already have 2 paid accounts of the ChatGPT €20 per month subscription because we're always capping out the 25 messages per 3 hours. So we're using it very, very intensively. And I have a long list of topics that I want to cover. Many, many different ideas, strategies, resources, just basically everything that you need if you work in business or in marketing to basically just copy paste what we are doing that works so well and use that for your own business, for your own agency, for your own website, for your personal brand, if you're an influencer. I don't care what you're doing in digital business or in digital marketing. What we are going to teach you here is going to change your business and your life. So enough talk for the intro. let's get right into the deep understanding, the deep topics in the next videos. See you there.